Welcome back to Crochet Craftsman. I'm so happy you're here today. Let's make something cute together. Today, we're making this adorable little Santa keychain. It's super easy, quick to finish, and perfect even if you're just starting crochet. You're going to love this one. For today's project, I'm using a 2.20mm hook. But don't worry, anything close to that size will work beautifully. All right then. If you're ready, let's jump right in and start crocheting our Santa keychain. This will be fun. Let's begin with a magic ring. That's our starting loop you can tighten closed, and we're using this light beige yarn here, a perfect base color for our little Santa. Chain 2, and now make 12 double crochets right into the magic ring. Take your time here. This forms the full base circle of our Santa. If you want, take a moment here, just to make sure your stitches look neat before we continue. Slip stitch into that very first stitch, and complete this round. Perfect. Chain 1, cut your yarn, and now let's switch to white. This is where Santa's fluffy beard starts to form. Attach your white yarn into any stitch on the circle. Chain 2 to begin. And we're ready for the increase round. Now make one more double crochet right into that same stitch. This gives us our first little increase. Just like that. Now work 2 double crochets into every stitch, all the way around. This doubles our stitch count to 24 and gives Santa's face a nice full circle. Slip stitch into that first stitch and complete this round. Nice. The circle should look smooth and even now. Chain 3. This will start the first little loop. Slip stitch into the next stitch, and that gives us our first little chain loop. Chain 3. Skip 1 stitch, and slip stitch into the next. We're building the loops for Santa's beard. Chain 3. Skip 1 stitch, and slip stitch right into the next stitch. Repeat this same pattern until you have 6 chain spaces in total. Once you've made all 6 chain spaces, go ahead and chain 1, and simply turn your work to start the next row. Into your very first chain space, work a single crochet, 3 double crochets, and another single crochet. This forms the first little beard shell. How is your little Santa looking so far? Feel free to tell me in the comments. I love reading them. Now repeat that same little shell into each of the 5 remaining chain spaces. This creates Santa's fluffy curved beard. Chain 1, and turn your work again to start the next row. Slip stitch right into the stitch where you created the previous chain loop. This anchors the beard row neatly. Chain 3, we're forming new loops above the beard. Skip 1 stitch and slip stitch through the front of the next one, just like you did before. Repeat this pattern until you have 5 chain spaces in total. Chain 1, and turn your work again for the next row. Repeat the same little shell pattern into each of the chain spaces above, into each of those 5 chain spaces. Work a single crochet, 3 double crochets, and a single crochet again. These layers give the beard its fluffy shape. How is your little Santa looking so far? Feel free to tell me in the comments. I love reading them. When you reach the end of this row, go ahead and chain 1, and gently turn your work for the next section. Now we're going back to the stitches, from that very first beige round underneath. Slip stitch right through the front of the double crochet below. This pulls everything together neatly. Chain 3, and get ready for the next loop. Slip stitch right through the front of the next stitch. This keeps the loops evenly spaced. Chain 3, and this time we're creating 4 chain spaces in a row. These will form the top part of Santa's beard. If you need a moment, feel free to pause and check that your loops are evenly spaced. Once you've made all 4 chain spaces, chain 1 here, so we can turn and begin the final beard row. Into every chain space you just made, work a single crochet, 3 double crochets, and another single crochet. This fills out Santa's fluffy beard beautifully. If your little Santa looks cute so far, a small like really helps the channel. Thank you so much. After that final single crochet, chain 1 and go ahead and cut your yarn. That completes the beard row. And just like that, our little Santa's beard is all done. It looks so cute already. Now let's move on to Santa's little hat. You can use green or red yarn here, whichever you like best. Right after that last single crochet, go ahead and skip the next 2 stitches. Attach your yarn right into the 3rd stitch. That's where the hat will begin. Chain 3. This sets the height for the hat. Now work 3 double crochets right next to each other. This forms the lower part of the hat. Next, make 3 half double crochets, side by side. We're tapering the hat upwards. Now work 2 single crochets, right beside each other. We're narrowing the tip of the hat. Chain 1, and turn your work to start the next hat row. Starting in the very first stitch, work 3 single crochets side by side. We're shaping the second hat row. Then make 2 half double crochets, side by side. The hat is narrowing smoothly. Next, work 2 double crochets, right next to each other. We're almost at the top curve. Into the next stitch, work 1 half double crochet. This softens the curve before the final stitch. And into the top of the chain. Work a single crochet to finish this row. Chain 1 and turn your work for the final shaping row. Starting in the very first stitch, work 5 single crochets side by side. We're shaping the little hat tip here. Now, work 4 slip stitches, one right after the other. This brings us to the start of the hat loop. Chain 6. We're starting the tiny hat tip detail. Into the second chain from the hook, work a single crochet. We're shaping the little point. Into the next chain, work a half double crochet. This gradually widens the tip. Into the next chain, work 1 double crochet. That's the widest point of the small hat tail. Into the next chain, add a half double crochet. We're narrowing down again. Into the very last chain, work a single crochet to finish the shape. Slip stitch right back into that same green stitch you started from. This secures the tiny hat tail in place. Chain 1. Cut your yarn, and gently weave the end through the back stitches. That finishes the hat tip beautifully. Now you can decorate your Santa. Add any little nose or tiny eyes you like. Make it as cute as you want. You can also glue a tiny pom-pom right into the magic ring space. It gives Santa the cutest little nose. You can glue a tiny pom-pom right here, at the tip of the hat. Use the same color or a different one if you like. For the eyes, you can use tiny black beads, little pearl eyes, or amigurumi safety eyes. Let's glue all the little details on, and then we'll attach our keychain clip. It comes together so nicely. You can attach the clip wherever you prefer, from the top green point, or from the spot where we first began the hat. Both look great. And just like that, we've completed every step of our little Santa keychain. It turned out so cute. That's everything for today's tutorial. I hope you enjoyed making this with me. Before you go, please subscribe to my channel, give this video a like, and share it with your loved ones. See you in the next tutorial. I can't wait to crochet with you again. Take care, my friends, and happy crocheting!